Moving on, viewers, Prime Minister Narendra Modi continued his tradition of celebrating Diwali with the forces. The Prime Minister celebrated Diwali this time aboard INS Vikrant with Indian Navy personnel. He acknowledged their crucial role in safeguarding our waters and praising their valor during Operation Sindoor. In a strong message, he said, our forces gave sleepless nights to Pakistan. Listen in. And we will be bringing to you excerpts of his address during this Diwali celebrations. He clearly gave a strong message to Pakistan once again. He talked about the, strength, the valor of our forces, especially during Operation Sindoor. Listen in to what exactly he said.
आप सबको याद होगा जिस दिन देश को स्वदेशी आईएनएस विक्रांत मिला था, उसी दिन भारतीय नौसेना ने गुलामी के एक बड़े प्रतीक चिन्ह का त्याग कर दिया था। हमारा आईएनएस विक्रांत आज आत्मनिर्भर भारत और मेड इन इंडिया का बहुत बड़ा प्रतीक है। अभी कुछ ही महीने पहले हमने देखा है, विक्रांत ने अपने नाम से ही पूरे पाकिस्तान की रातों की नींद उड़ा दी थी। जिसका नाम ही दुश्मन के साहस का अंत कर दे, वो है आईएनएस विक्रांत।
And viewers, Prime Minister Narendra Modi asserted that the extraordinary coordination among the armed forces compelled Pakistan to surrender during Operation Sindoor. He spoke about the fear created by Indian Navy, the amazing skill displayed by the Indian Air Force, the bravery of the Indian Army. The tremendous coordination of the three forces forced Pakistan to surrender so quickly in Operation Sindoor is what the Prime Minister Modi, in fact Prime Minister Modi had to say today. He also, in fact, tried to boost the morale of our forces by, making these statements. He was, in fact, addressing a gathering of soldiers on board INS Vikrant.
आपने गीतों में जिस प्रकार से ऑपरेशन सिंदूर का वर्णन किया, शायद को कभी इस अनुभूति को प्रकट नहीं कर पाएगा जो युद्ध के मैदान में खड़ा जवान कर पाता है। हमारी ब्रह्मोस और आकाश जैसी मिसाइलों ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में भी अपनी क्षमता साबित की है। ब्रह्मोस को तो नाम ही ऐसा है कि सुनते ही कई लोगों को चिंता हो जाती कि ब्रह्मोस आता है क्या। अब दुनिया के कई देश इन मिसाइलों को खरीदना चाहते हैं।
And not just that, Prime Minister Modi also reiterated government's vow to make India Naxal-free by March 2026. Highlighting the recent wave of surrenders, Prime Minister said thousands of Naxals have laid down their arms as affected regions embrace the need, in fact, to come to mainstream. He also added that Maoists had once crippled even basic services like hospitals, but now the path is all set for a Naxal-free India. Listen in.
हमारे सुरक्षा बलों के पराक्रम और हमारे सुरक्षा बलों के साहस के कारण ही बीते वर्षों में देश ने एक और बड़ी उपलब्धि हासिल की है। ये उपलब्धि है माओवादी आतंक का खात्मा। आज देश नक्सली माओवादी आतंक से मुक्ति के कगार पर है। ऐसा पराक्रम नक्सल को समाप्त करने के लिए देश की शक्ति ने किया है। हम सभी देशवासियों को गर्व है दोस्तों, ये हमारी मिट्टी में हो रहा है।
Let's now go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Mohit, wishing you a very happy Diwali firstly. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi there keeping up his annual tradition of celebrating Diwali with the members of the Indian Armed Forces.
Well, happy Diwali to you, Hina, and to all our viewers. Yes, in fact, you see, since Prime Minister Narendra Modi has come to power in 2014, we have seen that every Diwali from past 12 years, he has celebrated with the armed forces. In 2014, when he came to power, for the first time, he celebrated Diwali in the tough terrains of Siachen. So the message directly comes from the Prime Minister, because these are the soldiers who are away from their family while we are celebrating our Diwali at our home safely. They are safeguarding our borders, and Prime Minister gives out a message that yes, we are with you, we are with your family, will always support you. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi celebrated this Diwali on board INS Vikrant. He also had dinner with the officials of the Indian Navy, and also there was a cultural program where patriotic songs were sung by the naval forces officials, and there were songs specifically on Operation Sindoor, which were praised by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Hina, in this speech spoke of Atmanirbhar Bharat, that how India has got rid of the British-era warships, and now INS Vikrant is an example of Atmanirbhar Bharat. He also spoke about BrahMos and how BrahMos was very, very influential during Operation Sindoor against Pakistan. The Prime Minister spoke about Make in India, that how BrahMos and INS Vikrant are example of Atmanirbhar Bharat. PM also spoke about the coordination between our armed forces during Operation Sindoor, and how INS Vikrant and BrahMos, the indigenously made equipments, have brought Pakistan to their knees. So it was a great message from Prime Minister Narendra Modi that yes, we are with you, we are your family. And Prime Minister also fed the sweets to the officials from his own hand.
He gave some very, very important messages as well. Thank you very much, Mohit, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this story.